love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.